Hello and welcome to another tutorial by Navalco. The purpose of this video is to show how to connect devices to a MultiCONT process controller, how to detect those devices, and change the factory default metric to the American unit system. We will use two EchoTREK SPD ultrasonic level transmitters working in a HART Multidrop loop. Remove the two Phillips screws to open the terminal cover of the controller. The flip side of the cover contains information regarding the terminals. The terminals on the left are for the controller's power supply. Always check the supply voltage before connecting it to the controller. The next terminal block contains two relay outputs. The next terminal block contains two 4 to 20 mA outputs. The next two triple terminals are RS485 connectors. The upper block is the user RS485, which is used to monitor live data sent by the devices connected to the controller. The lower RS485 connector is for extension modules for the MultiCONT PR series, like relay and current output blocks. The three terminals on the right are for connecting active and passive 4 to 20 mA devices and HART-compatible devices. HART-compatible transmitters with an active 4 to 20 mA connection must be connected to the terminals L- and SH. See wiring diagram 4212 in the MultiCONT programming manual. Right now, there are two EchoTREK SPD ultrasonic devices connected to the MultiCONT's input. Turn the controller and one of the devices on. The MultiCONT is running the default Navalco firmware. Wait for the boot process to complete. After the startup process, we can start detecting the connected EchoTREK device. Press OK to enter the main menu. Then go to MultiCONT configuration. Select Device Detect, and the controller will find the device. Since only one of the connected devices is on, we can skip the rest of the detection process by pressing and holding the left arrow key. The display will say Device Detect End. Then the process controller will show the list of detected devices. The newly found device with the 00 address appears below the save line. Press the right arrow key to take it above the save line, then press OK to save the device list. Press OK to save. Press Escape twice to access the main screen. The display will show the live data from the device. The factory default HART address of the device is 0. To prevent conflicting addresses, change the HART address of the current device to 01. Press OK to enter the main menu. Select Devices. Press OK to select the device. Select Polling Address. Enter a new address for the device, then press OK to save. Enter Remote Programming. Then select Application Parameters. This will access the most important parameter of the controller, the P00. Press OK to access the parameter. Use the arrow keys to navigate and change the values. Enter 0101 to change the unit system of the controller from metric to US, then press OK to save. It is important to note that when the P00 is changed, all device settings will revert to the factory default. Select Remote Programming to check them. Select Parameters. Then select P02. Make sure that the value is set to 0001, which stands for Fahrenheit. Then press OK to save. The rest of the units are automatically set to US standard. For example, maximum and minimum distance are displayed in feet. The 4 mA signal is assigned to the 0-foot mark. The 20 mA signal is automatically assigned to the 47-foot mark. The difference between this and the maximum distance of 49 feet is the dead zone, which must be observed. To rename the device, select Short Tag in the main menu. Enter a new name for the device. And press OK to save. Let's power up the other level transmitter. The communication process only takes a few seconds. When it is done, select MultiCONT config in the main menu. Then select Device Detect, and the controller will find both devices. Skip the rest of the process by pressing and holding the left arrow key. The newly found device with the 00 address appears below the save line. Its HART address is still the factory default. Press the right arrow key to take it above the save line, then press OK to save the device list. To rename the new device, select it in the Devices option of the main menu. Then go to Short Tag, enter a name. And press OK to save. To set the unit system of the new device from metric to US, go to Remote Programming, select Application Parameters, select P00, enter 0101, and press OK to save. Press Escape to exit the menu, and the measuring screen will show the level measured by device 1. Press the down arrow to see the current value measured by the second device. This concludes the basic HART Multidrop setup process of the MultiCONT. Thank you for watching.